Yes, the family of geese. Andito na naman yung the family of goose. Yan. Beautiful family. Yeah, look at the babies, the baby geese. Proud na proud ang nanay. And the other geese on there. And the squirrel playing in the morning. Yeah, look at the goose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The geese are playing there. And the father goose is there. The father goose is there. And the other geese are there. You see? These are the geese. Alright. The geese. Alright. Ramon Flores channel. Relaxing. The geese and the squirrels there. The geese and the squirrels. Alright. Okay. Look at the squirrel on the tree and the geese. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Look. Alright. Ito. Malapit lang po sa bahay ni Ramon Flores to. Pagmaga po nandito yung mga geese na yan at saka yung mga squirrel na yan. Ayun ang squirrel nakahang sa puno. At saka ang goose, ayun po ang isang squirrel kumakain sa baba. Ayun po isang gansa nagpapahinga doon. Ayan na, squirrel and the geese. The squirrel and the geese. Ayan po. Squirrel and the geese po. At saka ang pamilya ng geese po. Ayan po. Every morning nandito yung pamilyang yan kumakain. Alright. Relating to the beauty of nature. Squirrel and the geese and the family of the geese. Here. Ramon Flores channel, Canada. Canada, look at the squirrel hanging in the tree. Hanging in the tree with the geese. And another squirrel there. And the geese. Amen. Ramon Flores channel, signing off. Amen.